Hi guys, are you using BOSE soundbar and surround speakers? Sure, you are having this problem because surround speakers are small, but their receiver cum adapter is bigger than the speaker. In this video I am showing you to wall mount beautifully the speaker, in easy way. First we wall mount the speaker using BOSE wall mount set. There is a marking picture available with the wall mount kit. Using this, we can easily make hole on the wall. I like to fix my speaker on this wall, one on the stair and another on the wall. Next step is assembling the wall mount kit. It is little bit complicated. Don't worry, I will show you how to fix this easily. Watch carefully what I am doing. When I am open the kit, little bit confused, how to fix this. If you follow my video, it will very simple for you. See how to fix mounting bracket, don't confuse. Here we have to use the small screw, because, when we are fixing speaker on this, lengthy screw, will touch and no possible to fix. Here I used wrong screw, lengthy one, but later I changed. I beautifully fixed the wall mount on the wall. The next task is, long wires, and big adapter. I didn't make any wiring for the power supply. I cut the wire, and make it smaller length, which I need. For the adapter I brought a small wall mount. Now I feel better, looks so nice. I use the switch, which is using for wall decor light. Remove the light, and connect two speaker. Whenever I need I can switch off also. I think you enjoy this video. See you again.